Hey friends, if you wish to set the desktop wallpaper using the Registry Editor, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open the Registry Editor window. Now go to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft Windows Current Version and Policies. Okay, we have policies here. Now we will have to create a key named System under it. Right click on Policies, New Key, System. Hit enter, and then in the right pane we will create a DO 32-bit entry named wallpaper. Okay, right click in the open space, new DO 32-bit value named wallpaper. Then you can double click on it and the value data will be 0 by default, which means center. You can tile it, you can stretch it, you can fit it, and the value data are given accordingly. Okay, and once you make an entry here, you should note that that entry is going to stay forever even if you try changing it otherwise. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then please let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.